The NGOs of South Garo Hills today expressed resentment against Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma when he visited Ampati, as he was unwilling to concede to their demand to remove the Chief Executive Member of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, Rakesh Newar Sangma, from the coveted tribal post. When Chief Minister was in Ampati, the NGOs shouted, "Chief Minister, go back," and termed his visit as personal. Speaking to the media, the NGOs said the Chief Minister should look into their demands and find a peaceful solution to it.